Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a smorgasbord of stuff. I don't know if that's the right term for it, but I wanted KFC, my sister wanted Little Caesars, so we were like, you know what, why not get both and have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and that's exactly what we did. So I have from KFC, I have the pot pie, which is bomb.com, chicken tenders, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and then from Little Caesars we have the, what is the pizza called? The three meat trio pizza thingy. Some crazy bread. I'm trying it for the first time, so I'm excited. We got some crazy sauce, and I got buffalo ranch sauce. But yeah, let's get it in because you already know the deal. Your girl is starving. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Fam Bam Lovey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that post notification. Enough mumbo and jumbo. Let's get down to the nitty gritty because you know. Let's try. How's the pizza? It's really good. Okay, well I gotta put them out there. Let's try the crazy bread first because you know I've been wanting this. So let's get a little bit of dunking action. They're crazy breads, go. Okay, Little Caesar. Guys, I'm so hungry. You have no idea. Let's try the pizza. This pizza is fire. That's good stuff. The only thing I have to say is I am so disappointed with KFC. They took off my finger licking good sauce. Like, are you serious? What am I supposed to eat with my chicken tenders? Like, that's why I ordered buffalo ranch from Little Caesars, because we're gonna see how it tastes with it, but that's some bullshit. Oh, and they didn't even give me the honey mustard that I ordered.
They didn't?
No. Let's get some. I have some mashed potatoes here. Oh, my niece is here too, by the way. As you can tell, this is one of my cheating days because I'm going fully loaded on these carbs. You know? Alright. Let's try a tender. Let's give ya dunking action. I don't know why I always gotta have my finger up. Okay. That's good. Let me try it with the sauce. It's good with buffalo ranch. Okay.
Come here, go around.
This is.
Pizza?
You don't want pizza, Isa?
Come here. Come here with that.
What does she have?
Those are really big.
Oh. So how are my Loviees doing? I'm doing great now. Because I was hangry before.
Be careful.
Mm-hmm.
Stay here.
Yes, honey. TGIF, y'all. Let's dig into this hot ass Popeye. I was waiting for it to cool down because
No.
it's hot as hell, the tin. Ooh. Y'all see the steam? Look at the steam. I don't know if you can see it, but. Oh, yes. I love their Popeye.
Shauna, no more.
It's hot as hell. I ain't trying to burn my mouth. So good. So good. You could tell that your girl likes carbs. Like, because it's serious. Water. Y'all know the deal. I am proud to say I haven't had soda and how long now? Do you remember when's the last time I had soda? I want to say.
If you count like sugary drinks, then the Baja Blast Freezy, because it is technically soda. It was just in the freeze.
Oh. I thought it was going to be longer. I did have the freezy. I'm keeping it real with y'all. I had a freezy. When did I have a freezy? My mom just got my hair done. Which was a week ago, on the 20th. But before that, it was like a month. Now I'm not talking about alcoholic drinks. Alcohol beverages I was drinking. I say was because I am currently detoxing until I go to vacation next month.
Walk with your head up.
So, which I do detoxes about 2 times a year. It's usually after summer, so after Labor Day. I'll do a detox, but this time I started a little earlier. So the last time I drank was on Saturday. So it's gonna be a full month because I go on vacay the 24th. Excuse me, of September. So that's what we do. And then I'll usually do a detox again in April, usually, before summertime starts again. Crazy, bro. It's cheese in here. I Everything is hitting a motherfucking spot. Like, yes.
Hi.
Hi, honey. Do you want some? No? She's funny. So, what's new, my lovies? I'm glad I asked you guys what's new so late in the video. It was just, I was hungry today. Hmm? Oh, no. You want some mac and cheese? No? Okay. What's new besides? I like the crazy bread, but I just wish it had a little more cheese. Like the Parmesan cheese on top. Because that is popping. So, yeah. I know you guys are probably like, bitch, how you doing a detox? And you eating this food? One, I don't eat like this every day. Two, this will be my only meal for the day. What are you eating? You eating tomato? Wow, lucky you. This will be my only meal of the day. 3 is none of your business. No, I'm just kidding. 3, I only eat carbs the days I film. So 3 days out of the week I eat carbs. The other 4 I will eat very little to no carbs. So perfect example, yesterday was a no filming day. Excuse me. And oh, and I also do intermittent fasting. So I eat between 8 hours and then 16 hours of the day I am not eating. Just drinking water or coffee. Which I only have 1 cup of coffee a day. And that's just in the morning.
Come here.
Straight black coffee. So yeah, yesterday my first meal of the day was at 11 a.m. because that is when I break my fasting. So it was at 11, meaning that my last meal, I have to be done eating before 7 p.m. So after 7 p.m. I do not eat anything. So yesterday I ate what did I eat? Oh, I had a chicken leg. 1 chicken leg of my mom made. It was just like sauteed in a pan with some spices, you know, and she made like a wine sauce or whatever with it. It was really good. It wasn't creamy. It was just lemon and white wine. It's really, really bomb. And then I had that with string beans. Then sauteed string beans. I don't just eat raw string beans. Then I had, for a snack around 2 o'clock, I had a pickle and some olives. And then for dinner, I ate at 6 p.m. Was it 6? Yeah, it was 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. I had, what did I eat? Oh, I had a quarter of rotisserie chicken. No, I do not get tired of chicken. I could eat chicken all day, every day. Don't judge me. I had a quarter piece of rotisserie chicken. A little bit of soup of sopa de res.
Sit down.
Meat soup. I had like, what was it? It was like a cup. I don't measure these things out. I eyeball it. It was very little. And then I had, I want to say it wasn't even a quarter of a cup. It was like 3 spoons, little spoons, teaspoons of white rice that I ate with my soup. So yes. So that is what I had yesterday. And some people eat dessert too. I don't, just because one, I'm not really a sweets person unless it's that time of the month. Yeah, that's that. So and then I just drink a lot of water. Speaking of water, I'm all out. But yeah, I'm not saying, I'm definitely not the healthiest person in the world, but life is about balance. So yep. And trust me, if you drink a lot of alcohol, that shit creeps up on you. Like, before summer and after summer is why I usually do my detoxes, because summertime is when I personally drink the most, because obviously it's summer, you're going out, you're with your friends, you're haha, hee, you know. Wintertime, obviously you stay home more, so that's just me, you know. Home, you hear me? Winter, I'm usually home. I won't, you know, if I drink, it's probably like once a month, and it's when I go out. So yeah, but yeah, you know, life is all about balance. You know, nobody's saying you can't eat fast food, you just can't eat it every day. You guys, please do not take health advice from me. I am not no professional. I know y'all gonna probably come for me in the comments like, bitch, how you gonna tell us what you fat? You can't tell shit. So yeah, I'm putting out the warning. You just have to honestly study your body and learn your body. Everybody's body is different. Oh, that's a tongue twister. Everybody's body. Say that 10 times fast. Yeah, everyone's body is different. So what works for me might not work for you, obviously, you know, like, you just gotta, and you have to really study your body and find out what works and what doesn't. You know, certain diets don't work for me. I'm not saying I do keto. Keto does not work for me because my body does not like the amount of fat you have to eat on keto. In order to be in ketosis, you have to be in a certain, like, eat certain fats and stuff, and my body just doesn't take it. Everyone is different, you know, so it is what it is. That's just me. That's how I do things. And yeah, you know, and obviously you can't just sit around doing ish, you know, like, you gotta get up. And trust me, I fucking hate working out, but my ass went back to working out because obviously sitting around is not gonna help, you know. So yeah, that's life. But your girl stuff. Don't forget, lovies, give this video 2 big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. to join the fam bam. And until next time, remember, let's spread positive vibes, good laughs, and yummy eats.